Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. So today it's a new day, it's a new dawn, it's a new life for me. In the next 3 minutes, you're going to experience one of the simplest explanation about AI and its grandchildren's called Gen AI and Agentic AI. So without any late, let me get into the video. Artificial intelligence, the one of the most important word we are seeing everywhere in this real world. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is something that makes machines doing the tasks that typically require human intelligence. That's it. Don't need to remember the bunch of definitions. Okay, whenever anyone asks you about what is the AI, then just reply like AI is something which mimics the human behavior for doing a task. That's it. Okay, so where we see AI? Everywhere. In our daily routine, we are using our smartphone. It means that we are using AI. AI is everywhere, like YouTube recommendations, Google Map, what we call shortest path recommendations, like that. Okay, and also self-driving cars, playing chess. It all comes under AI. So in 1956, they started research about AI, and now we are using AI in extreme level. Okay, so in AI, we have two most important concepts. They are Agentic AI and Gen AI. So first we start with Gen AI. So traditionally, it only predicts and it only analyzes the data, nothing more. But generative AI is something which generates its own original data. It can able to reason about the data. Okay, it's not going to only predict. It's going to reason. It's going to generate its own content. We call it as generative AI. That's it. So whatever the LLMs we have, they all comes under this generative AI. Okay, so if you want to remember blindly, just stay with, if any AI generating content, it means that it's a generative AI. So image generation, audio generation, text generation, and code generation, presentation generation, everything generates on its own. It means that it's a generative AI. Okay, we have examples like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. And these are the most important and advanced, right? So advanced and more hearable LLMs. And next one, Agentic AI. It's very simple. So AI is something predicts and analyzes the data, and generative AI is something which generates new content. That's it. But it doesn't act. So for filling this gap, we have Agentic AI, an AI system that can think, plan, and execute actions to achieve a goal autonomously. We called it as Agentic AI. That's simple. It's very important to remember. Okay, so in our upcoming days, we are going to deal with Agentic AI to create more agents. So okay, we create more agents in simple and very easiest manner. Remember and mark my words. And generative AI and Agentic AI, the difference is very simple. Generative AI means generating the content. Agentic AI means implementing the generated content. That's simple. Let me take a simple example. First one, if you say book a ticket to the Hyderabad, what ChatGPT will do is it will only give you the suggestions, right? But your Agentic AI will do something different when compared to generative AI. It will plan the schedule, it will plan tasks. Okay, it will break the problem into simple tasks. Like Agentic AI will break the problem into simple tasks. Like I said that I need to book a ticket to Hyderabad, right? So it will break the task into simple parts, and it will try to implement each of them and observe the result. And after completion of the task, after completion of booking, it will give me the only ticket. See how different it is. So now that's why everything is replaced with AI agents. It's really important to learn about this Agentic AI and Gen AI. So in this YouTube channel, I'm going to cover every single thing in a very simplest manner so that you can able to answer in any interview without fear. So I think everyone is clear about that. So AI is about predicting, generative AI is about generating the content, new content, original content, and Agentic AI is about all workflows. Think, plan, and execute. That's it. So that is what about today. I hope everyone is clear, and I meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.